Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yara, if you don't know. And today I'm gonna film with the new NIKKIETUTORIALS palette. So lately I've been seeing a lot of Euphoria makeup looks on TikTok again. I've watched the show last year I think, but this palette has a lot of beautiful colors and shimmers in it, so I thought it would be perfect to combine the two and do a Euphoria inspired makeup look with the new palette. I am Dutch myself, so I'm very proud of Nikki, and I mean, it's just so beautiful. I really love the packaging and the colors in it, so I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm really excited to try it out now. It's just so gorgeous. Oh my god. I've got it all over my hand. I'm so clumsy. Look at that. It's just so pretty. I really like the colors and I was so glad that I could get one. I was like very quick. So the main colors in Euphoria are like blue, purple, pink kind of shades. So I'm gonna try to use those colors today. So we've got Blend and Snap, Plot Twist, Amsterdam, Mama Tutorials, and of course Pride. It's so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna use those colors today. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, so it's gonna be a surprise. I'm just gonna try it out. So I'm definitely not really good at makeup, but at least I'm gonna try. I also bought some glitters to finish the look to make it even more Euphoria inspired. I've already done my base makeup, so let's just get started on the eyes. I think I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. So I've prepped my eyes with some concealer and powder. I really wanted to get the P. Louise base, but I have to ship it to the Netherlands and shipping is like really high, so I'm still debating if I'm gonna get it or not. But first I'm just gonna try it out with some concealer and powder. Let's see. What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna start with Amsterdam and lightly pack it on my eyes. That's so pigmented. I've only done like a little tap and it's already this pigmented. So I'm just gonna apply this color to the outer corner. It's so cute. I'm scared. I've never really done a really colorful makeup look. And I'm also kind of winging it out a little bit. Oh my god. And now I'm just gonna blend it out with Plot Twist. I'm really excited for season 2 of Euphoria. I just can't wait. It's literally my favorite show, I think. It's so good. I've got some like scars on my eyelids, so those don't really pick up pigments. Like sometimes the pigment doesn't really want to stay on those scars, so that's why I might have some like patches. But yeah, so now I'm gonna take a cleaner brush and I'm gonna go in with Blend and Snap, and I'm gonna place this color on my inner corners. I think my favorite character in Euphoria is Maddie. Probably everyone's favorite character, but I really like Maddie and I also really like Juno. I like Ruth and I love Fez as well. This is so cute. I can like blend these two together and it's kind of getting a little bit purplish. These blend so well. Oh my god. It's so nice. It might look a bit crazy right now. I wasn't really sure where I was going, but let's hope the end results look good. I love how it's blending together. Oh my god. I always have like a good eye and a not like bad, but it's not as good as the other eye. Now I think it's time for shimmer, so let's see. I want to add a little bit more blue, so I'm gonna go with NIKKIETUTORIALS and pack that on the more bluer side. A flat brush. I don't know if I'm like ruin it right now. I think I'm just gonna pat it in with my eyes a little bit so there's not a lot of fallout. So I really like Nikkie, and we have this program in the Netherlands and it's called Wie Small, and Nikkie's in it again, and I was so happy. Like, it wasn't announced yet who was gonna be in it, and I had like a little suspicion Nikkie was gonna be in it, but she was, so I was so happy because I love it. This blue is just so pretty. Now I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with Plot Twist again. There is a bit of fallout, as you can see, but I think that's just really normal with shimmery shades and like pressed pigments, so I don't mind. It's a glittery Euphoria makeup look anyways. Now I'm gonna go in with Pride, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. And I'm gonna pack that with my finger, I think, on the inner corners. Oh my god, it looks like kind of like holographic. I feel like a unicorn. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I feel so extra. I never really do this kind of makeup. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of that blue shimmer shade in my tutorials, because it's kind of disappearing right now, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna clean up the edges a little bit, make it a bit more sharp. So now I think I'm gonna add some eyeliner because I don't feel myself without eyeliner, so I really have to. And as always, I'm using the Essence liquid ink. Let's hope I don't ruin this right now. So I added some wings, and maybe it would look even better with white eyeliner, but I'm not risking it today. So now I'm gonna add some lashes to make it even more glamorous. I'm so sorry that I'm bad at applying lashes, so I'm gonna blend them in a little bit with some mascara. Oh my god, my camera stopped recording because my card was full, but we're gonna continue now. It's time for the little glitters. So there's a lot of pink and purple ones in this. Oh, there's some like pearl ones. It's kind of cute. I'm already dropping them on the floor. Oh my god. I'm not sure about this. I'm literally shaking. cool. It's gonna take so long. I've got to do the other eye as well. My lash just does not want to work with me. Let's just ignore the lash. Does it look weird? I think it's pretty cool. So now I'm just gonna finish my lips. And I'm gonna top this off with the Kiko Milani lip gloss, and this is number 5 and it's really sparkly. It's so cute. There's like all these glitters in it, so I think it's fitting to use this one. I think I'm gonna change my hair, so let's do that. So I think this is the finished Euphoria look using the NIKKIETUTORIALS palette. I really like it, and the pigment is just so good and the shimmers are so beautiful. I'm in love with these colors as well. I can't wait to use the different shades. And yeah, let me know what kind of looks you want me to do with this palette, because there's like endless opportunities. It's just so cute. I really like it. And I'm really proud of Nikki. It was a little bit hard to put the little gems on my face, but I think it kind of worked out. I added some little glittery hair clips to finish off the look. So I really hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the makeup. It was like my first time trying out something like this, so I hope you like it. I think it's kind of cool. I can literally join the TikTok trend right now. The colors just blend so beautiful, and it's just a very useful palette. I also really like the mirrors in it, the normal mirror and the magnifying mirror. It's just so easy. So if you want me to do more of these looks, let me know and tell me what kind of videos do you want me to make next. I had fun filming this video. A couple of things went wrong, but it's okay. It was fun. Also, if you watch Euphoria, let's just talk in the comments, because I love talking about it, because it's such a good show. So let's just talk about it in the comments, or DM me or anything, because I really can't wait for season 2. So I hope to see you in my next video. Like this video if you liked it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and yeah, I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!